superhuman.
I'm not superhuman.
Someone save me from the hate. It's just another war, just another family torn,
From my feet to death.
just a step on the edge, just another day and the world we live. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero. I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me. I've gotta fight today to live another day, speaking my mind today.